Welcome to Live by Design, Line and Grow. This is a community group to transform your life from feeling stuck, unfulfilled, to living with purpose and alignment using our proven framework and for personal transformation. I've created this group so that you can skip months of confusion, self-doubt, and start creating intentional change today with the guidance and the community support. Part of this group, you'll get the Live by Design framework guide, fortnightly Q&A coaching calls so you can bring in your questions and we'll talk about them and go through the calls and actually answer the questions and actually start supporting you to get you there where you want to be. Weekly accountability check-ins. That way we're keeping you on track because sometimes we just need a bit of support and I'm here to support you through this. Mindset and personal growth tools. Supportive community of growth-minded individuals, exclusive personal development content. So once again, I thank you for joining this group and I look forward to seeing you grow and prosper and seeing the transformation unfold, but also helping one another. So if you see somebody that is struggling, we come here as a community, we come here as a group, we work together as a collective whole. And I look forward to seeing us as a collective whole to grow and expand what we can do for ourselves to live life by design. So once again, thank you for joining this community. And if you feel it is the right fit, please join and enjoy and engage into this community. And I look forward to seeing everyone come in board. But if it's not for you, that's okay as well. But thank you anyway, and I hope everyone can live by design, and that is my aim. For me, is to help everyone to grow